In this video, I will show you how to convert a YouTube video to MP3 on your PC. First, if it's your own YouTube video, open YouTube Studio, go to Content, click the three dots next to the video, and select Download to save it to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your browser and search for a Video to MP3 converter. Choose a trusted website, then drag and drop your downloaded video into the converter. Select MP3 as the output format, click Convert, and wait for the process to finish. When it's ready, click Download to save the MP3 audio file to your computer. Please make sure you only convert videos that you own or have permission to use, and respect copyright laws.